Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss trend lines in detail, and I will like to give you an introduction to trend lines. And these are just simple lines on these charts, but if we see that these are actually the whole algorithm of the Forex. So this is like a trend line or a ray, we can call it. But if you see on these charts, you can say this is downward trend, this is upward trend, and this is also upward trend, and similarly down and up, right? So I will be explaining this concept today. These lines I'm drawing, all of them are what? All of them are trend lines. So I just want to give you an overview of it and discuss it in detail. And I also want to tell you that how to analyze and trade the current market by using trend line strategy, and you can also make it part of your current strategy. So trend lines, my friends, they are very much important, and without trend, it is, for me, it will be completely like a very dangerous thing if, let's say, someone trade the market and the trader never pay attention to the trend lines. Then I must say that they are on the wrong side of the market. So what are trend lines? These are trends, okay? This is like a trend line, and you will say a trend line usually look like this, right? And this question will arise in your mind, and this is totally valid, that how this can be a trend, right? Why this is not a trend? So I want to explain it. I want to explain this is also a trend line, this is also a trend line. But this one, if you see, I will need to highlight my screen right here, and I would like to switch lower time frame. So move to the H4. That was daily. Now I'm switching to the H4. So here we go. This is that line which I just drew on the daily time frame. You see this. So as I said, this is a trend line. Why I said that this is a trend? I said because if you see, isn't it a proper trend that started all the way right here and continued up? Just have a look at it on the H4 very nicely. So let's say if I assume a trader doesn't know this, that the market is going to take a reversal from it, when it touch this zone, at least then the trader could prepare for a buy position. And even if the trader didn't took any buy position, right here this was 100% guaranteed trade setup based on the trend line alone. So this, as I said, this was a trend that got broken right here. We got a retest and we got a drop of 177 pips. And just see where the price is stopped. Just have a look at it. Let it be this way. Where did this price stop? Is right here. So what is so special about this particular zone? Trend line, nothing else than that. See, trend line right here. This was the second touch. If a trader didn't took this, completely mistake. So right here it could be traded to the top side of the market. 284 pips the market moved up. And let's suppose right here, since I'm a Fibonacci trader as well, so even before the price touches this trend line, I became bullish right here near this 61.8% retracement. See this one, 1.07185. And if I extend it, there was when I was taking this trade, this price section I had, like, this data wasn't available. Right here I took it on this green candle, so the stop loss was right here, 133 pips of stop loss, and it moved up 235 pips up. And there is one other special thing about it, and that is the completion of this ABCD pattern. So pretty much if I say and if I highlight, pretty much it did this, right? And it couldn't exactly completed that zone, this one right here, because why? There is a reason. There was a very strong resistance right here. So this is my simple trend based system. You can trade it on the monthly time frame if you are a very long term trader. You can trade it on weekly, you can trade it on daily, you can trade it on H4, you can trade on H1, M15, M5, M1. All of these time frames are full of what? Trend lines. So as per this trend line, now the current market is bullish. Why? Because we have the second touch right here and we have the third touch right here, and since then we expected this rally towards 318 pips, but it went up towards 275 pips. Why? Reason was this previous resistance, not just once but twice but thrice, fourth time. So not an ordinary level it was. And how we found this particular trade setup? Just on the basis of a trend line. And this is the bullish one. And I always tell you that the bulls also make profits and the sellers also make profit. Keep this thing in mind. So coming on to the sellers, where is the trend line? Can someone tell me where is the trend line? At the moment it seems like this, right? But the trend, initially the trend was like this. The market took a fresh trend from right here. Just see this. So market took a resistance right here and dropped. When it was going back up, it dropped. Why it dropped? From right here, let me show you. Because there was a Fibonacci number and a previous resistance. So whenever a trend line and the 61.8% retracement of the Fibonacci are closer together, understand that this is, in this particular case, it was a fantastic sell opportunity. Fantastic one. How we know? We know this because we have a Fibonacci and a trend line all together. Let's extend it a little bit as well, so that you completely understand. Even right here, see, and followed by a false breakout right here, followed by a false breakout. So my friends, the trend based system is very easy, and especially if you are using my strategy and you have problems with the trend lines, then this video is super beneficial for you. Stay with me. I'm going to discuss more about it so that all of your confusions are gone. Go when you leave this video or when you finish this video. So till here everyone is clear, right? Now we cannot leave these moves alone. So for that, on the H4, if I explain it, at this present moment market is standing right here at a support. This is a support 1.0798. This one, this is a support C on the daily time frame. And in such situations there is a likely chance that the market is going to complete 1.09814. So obviously if I see the sell point of this market at this particular zone or this particular level, 1.09838 in the future can become a very good and fantastic sell area. So now again I want to tell you that when I do these trend line analysis, what I usually do is, when I run every analysis and when I'm done and when I find the levels, I write it down with myself, 1.09814. I will just write it down in the notes or somewhere so that I remember. We'll set alarms on the MT4 so that whenever my level is hit by the price, I know. So certain alarms I get. Now I want to show you this dollar CHF. Most of you will remember that my opinion for a sell from 0.90316, and that worked well. But the completion obviously is 0.87224. So let's suppose on a trend line, if I want to see that, okay, what can be the next possible trend we have and on which time frame that will be. So right here, if you see, this is of 618. See, 618, and a completion occurs right here. So hence it tells me that it is a fantastic buying zone. So as per the last analysis, what I found is that this is the sell area, just like I discussed yesterday on gold chart. You can check back that video to understand the concept. Same situation was going on. So this was a sell zone, this was a sell zone, and this was a TP zone, and this is again going to be a buy zone upon proper confirmation. And then the trend line may look something like this, remember. And let me also read this chart for you. This followed by this, followed by this ABCD, easy one, a completion and breakout of the previous zone, breakout of this previous level. Let's delete this blue box because I want a bit neat chart. So it gave a breakout of this structure, a breakout, a retest, and hence another buying opportunity right here. And obviously the rally continues after this. This was completely not tradable for me. But how about this one? We could trade it, this one as well. Head and shoulder pattern, very nicely. So what I just did today is just these lines, okay? Nothing more than this, my friends. This is the simplest forex strategy, the very simplest, simply based on trend lines. Let me show you on NZD CAD. This drop, as I expected in my previous videos, 397 pips it dropped. In how many days? From 12th of June till here was my take profit zone, 24th of July. So around 1 month. In 1 month it gave fantastic profits. Who get this profit? Those who wait, those who are psychologically strong. or perhaps those who have mentors. And what was that? Simply this trend line. Just have a look at it. If you didn't took a buy from right here, and if you took it right here, you must be getting 80 pips. So if you are an intraday trader, I assume you already got 50 pips from it. So congratulations, you made $500. So if you made this $500, don't try to become greedy and don't try to say I want to take it there, because you are an intraday trader. You made your profit, that's enough. So 83 pips of stop loss, it was 83 pips, and still it seems it's going to go further up on the basis of these trends. Now remember, trend lines are actually support and resistance levels, and different patterns are derived from the trend lines. The more patterns you understand, the better Fibonacci strategy will give you the outputs. So this was something about the trend lines. If you have any questions, you are free to ask me in the comment section down below, so at least I know that where my audience need help, so I can create videos about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Till then, take a lot of care of yourself. Like, share and subscribe the channel with the bell icon. Give me your strong feedback so I can educate you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.